Here you go. So this video started out with me blocking in the eye space and then lining out some few major places where I know the face features are going to be. I like the nose, the shape of the face, the beards, and yeah, you could see how it's coming out. So there are no hard and fast rules to this. All you can do is just free yourself, try and be expressive as much as possible, and just blocking the major shapes you can see, right? As you can see here, I'm not trying to replicate exactly the picture that I'm referencing from for this drawing. So I'm just trying to enjoy the process of making art, just trying to enjoy the process of drawing. Sometimes I just sharpen the edge of the charcoal bar that I'm using so that I could get some sharp edges on my drawing because of how I love my drawings to look cubic kind of. So yeah, you can see how I tilt my charcoal so it gets those sharp edges that I'm talking about. So if you're looking to learn how to draw or probably better your drawing, I think my word of advice for you would be to first of all know that there are no particular rules, right? All you have to do is practice over time, study masters, and copy a lot of drawings as much as possible as you can. And you notice that over time you actually quite start catching up. That's aside from the videos where I used the Loomis method or the Riley method to actually create the shape of the face. There are no hard and fast rules to this. Here I just started with blocking in the shape of the eyes and drawing out the major shapes that we can see. So yeah, let's just keep watching as this comes out. But one of the things we could also notice here is how I blocked in the most dark spaces of the drawing, right? So you see how those places are covered in shadow already. That will help me know where my values are and where my tones are while I place in the strokes of charcoal here and there, just enjoying the process like I said. So now in those places where I put in my shadows, so in this part I'm just darkening the ground a little bit so to help pop the drawing now. So you can see how that is taking effect and helping make the drawing more beautiful, making it come alive. And yeah, so I darken the areas of the eye again because come on, it's not dark enough, so I had to just add that, right? And then from here on I just add in finishing touches to the drawing. Yeah, the drawing is coming to an end. So if you enjoyed watching this video, consider subscribing to see much more of my videos. I'll be making much videos like this and also much more detailed tutorials, so you could actually watch and follow step by step what I do, right? So that's it, and I will see you next time. Thank you.